Do you experience frequent illness, chronic fatigue, slow healing, digestive issues, or allergies? Having a weak immune system can be one of the main reasons for this. Number 1. Eat balanced diet. Include colorful fruits, veggies, whole grains, and lean proteins to get essential vitamins like A, C, D, and E. Number 2. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your body functioning optimally. Number 3. Get regular exercise. Aim for 30 minutes of moderate exercise daily to help flush out bacteria and improve circulation. Number 4. Prioritize sleep. Ensure to get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to repair and regenerate. 5. Manage stress effectively. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, and yoga can help you reduce stress levels. What steps do you take to strengthen your immunity? Let us know in the comments.